Meet Boardrop, the board controller that turns your living room into a snow park. Crafted from real snowboards, Boardrop is built to handle your biggest jumps and tricks, immersing you into the game. Control games with your body through spins, jumps, leans, and tail presses. Join the Boardrop revolution, combining snowboard workouts with AAA gaming. Boardrop's blue LED light adds a rockstar flair, making every ride feel like it's center stage. Boardrop makes balancing easier so you can focus on the fun stuff, like not face planting into your coffee table. Plus, Boardrop is more than just a gaming device. It's smart. Our app creates personalized training programs and fitness goals. Complete challenges, earn badges, and share your progress on social media. Want to take things up a notch? Rock on! With our easy-to-attach accessories, Boardrop transforms into 3 boards in 1. Clip-on skateboard wheels to conquer virtual streets. Or add our balance board underneath to surf the waves or shred the snow. Because who says you can't game and get fit? Probably someone without our board.